What's the meaning of common market? Common market. Common market.
Common market. Common market. A common market is a type of economic integration where member countries eliminate tariffs and other trade barriers, allowing for the free movement of goods, services, capital, and people within the market. This type of integration also typically includes a unified external trade policy. The result of a common market is increased competition and efficiency, as businesses can access larger markets and consumers have a wider range of options. It can also lead to increased investment and economic growth, but may require significant political and regulatory coordination among member countries.